Hello guys, and welcome to another trip report. I'm starting my day here at the Hotel at Heathrow's Terminal 4, having arrived from Paris Charles de Gaulle on a flight the previous day. Today I'm going to be taking a flight that I've been looking forward to for a couple of months since I booked it. LOT Polish Airlines are flying their new 737 MAX between London Heathrow and Warsaw. I'm really looking forward to this. I booked this in business class because there was a promotional fare on. Flown LOT a few times before, but never in business class. Poland is one of my favourite countries in the world, and after Britain and Ireland it's probably my favourite place in Europe, so I'm really looking forward to this trip. I'm looking forward to see what the hospitality is like. I've never actually departed from Terminal 2 here at London Heathrow, even though it's been open for a few years now. So looking forward to experiencing all that and trying out one of the Star Alliance lounges at Terminal 2 as well. Anyway, that's enough from me. Let's get going. Enjoy the trip. Okay, so I've just managed to find a quiet spot here at one of the empty gates here at Terminal 2 to sit down and do this little piece. Got through security, no problem. I have fast track on my business class ticket, so I was through in 2 minutes, no problem. The first impressions of Terminal 2 as a departing passenger are that it's a fantastic space, much more pleasant than Terminal 5, and it does help that it's a bit quieter too this morning. I've got plenty of travels planned using Terminal 2 this year as I check out more Star Alliance carriers flying here from London Heathrow. So I'm really excited to see that it's a lovely terminal and a very pleasant place to be. Another great thing about this terminal is that there are several Star Alliance lounges. The privilege is mine to check out all of those over the coming year. This morning I'm going to be heading to the Singapore Airlines lounge, which I've heard is supposed to be really good. So that's next on my list. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so I'm just out of the Singapore lounge now, and I'm waiting to find out what gate my flight to Warsaw is going to be departing from. For some reason, only about 45 minutes to go, still no gate displayed. Gonna make an educated guess and head back to the A gates, but we'll see what happens. Scratch that, just saw the aircraft dawdling around one of the gates here, so I'm going to head there now, going to beat the rush.
Starlights Gold and next there to proceed forward for boarding using the priority lane. Economy class passengers are kindly requested during the economy class queuing maze to prepare for general boarding.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please have your boarding cards ready and passports open at the photograph page ready for a final inspection. On behalf of Polish Airlines, we'd like to apologize for the short delay and wish you a pleasant flight.
Przez całe studia latałem. Też 4 lata. Miałem 8, 9, 2000. Za mnie dostał 2 miliony. Pamiętam tylko tego Jantara i w zeszłym roku tam zaciągnąłem i drugi raz do tego robiliśmy, ja też jeszcze to weź ty młody poleci. Ja już cały rok. Jak zdecydowanie sobie dobrze spotkaliśmy ściągę wystarczy niż ja zszedłem do lotu jeden z pierwszych takich przelotów na fali. On trenował przez Pomaradę. Tam będzie komunikat. Poczuł się ja już tam czekaj, 4. Też chyba to samo szkolenie, jak na pewno, bo to u nas nikt nie ma doświadczenia z takich latami na fali na przykład. Rejliński wtedy tam. I chyba przyleciał.
godzina 13:55 czasu lokalnego. Do czasu połączenia z stacji bazy bezpieczeństwa zamienne.
Thank you, bye-bye. And that is it, guys. I'm now here in Warsaw, where it's just started to snow and it's about -3 degrees Celsius. A really great flight with a lot of Polish Airlines there. Real privilege to be flying on such a new aircraft, and I hope you enjoy the trip as much as I enjoyed taking it. See you next time.